Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on full screen. The most straightforward way to switch to full screen mode involves using a common keyboard shortcut. Simply open any Roblox game, then press the F11 key on your keyboard. This should immediately expand the game to fill your entire display. To exit full screen mode, just press F11 once more, returning your game to its original window size. Beyond the basic F11 shortcut, many Roblox games offer a full screen option directly within their in-game settings. While playing, open the Roblox menu by pressing the Escape key or clicking the icon with 3 lines. From there, locate the Settings or Display section. If a full screen toggle or checkbox is present, simply enable it to enjoy an immersive, full-screen experience tailored to that specific game. Sometimes, full-screen mode might not activate immediately, or you might experience a few issues. First, always confirm that your Roblox game window is the one currently in focus before pressing F11. If problems persist, consider updating your graphics drivers to their latest version, as outdated drivers can affect display functionality. A simple restart of the entire Roblox application client can also surprisingly fix many common, temporary display anomalies, getting you back to gaming quickly. For a more customized full-screen experience, delve into specific game settings. Certain Roblox games allow you to select a precise resolution, providing optimal visual clarity for your monitor. Don't hesitate to experiment with various display options to find what looks best for you. If you encounter a unique full-screen challenge in a particular game, remember that the vibrant Roblox community forums are an excellent resource for game-specific tips and solutions, helping you achieve the perfect setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.